Welcome to today's video of R. Today I am going to discuss about strings. First of all, the topics I am going to cover today is number 1, string display. Number 2, use of separator. Number 3, how to convert string into upper and lower case. Number 4, how to display a substring. Number 5, how to enter string from user side. These are the topics I am going to discuss. First of all, string display. It comprises of basically two parts. One is with quotes and second is without quotes. Without double quotes or single quotes, how to display the content. For that, suppose A is the variable. I am writing a string. Welcome to R programming. Then print the string. Let's execute this program. You can display welcome to R programming. This one is the string with quotes. Suppose I am writing the code like this. Quote false. Now what is the meaning of this? If I am writing quote is equal to false, it means I can display the string without double quotes. One more content is there. Suppose I am writing welcome to string programming in R in single quotes. Then print the string now. Let us check the output. The string is again in double quotes. You can enter the string in single quotes, but the display is always in double quotes. But if I am writing here print B, then quote false, again I can display the string without double quotes. Now the next content. Use of separator. The second part of this program. Suppose I am entering some programming languages, C, C++, Java, Python. Suppose these are the languages. Then I have to display the contents. Print paste C1, C2, C3 and C4. Now execute this program. These are the contents: C, C++, Java and Python. Suppose I have to place some separator, for example, comma, inside these languages. Then what I have to do? Let's copy this and paste here. Write one more code, separator, in double quotes, place comma. Then execute the program again. Look at the difference now. You can write all the languages with some separator. You can place any content. You can place dots here or whatever is required. You can execute the program in that particular way. According to your choice, you can place the separator. But at this place, comma is the best separator. This one is the content. It's without separator. And this one is with separator. That separator is in this program, comma. Now what about the next one? How to convert string into upper and lower case. Suppose the string is welcome to our programming. Print D1. You can simply print the string welcome to our programming. Suppose I have to convert this string into uppercase. Print, simply you have to write to upper, then the string, address of that string D1. You can convert the alphabets into uppercase. Then print to lower, means you can convert all the alphabets into its lowercase. Okay. D1. D1 is required here because D2 is not assigned. Let's execute the program again. You can convert, first of all, display of the string, whatever the string entered is. Second, the conversion of the string into uppercase. And third one is conversion of the string into lowercase. The next one is how to display a substring. Print. First of all, you have to check the string. Suppose D1 is the string and I have to display a substring of this string. And I have to write substring, then address of the string D1, then starting alphabet and ending alphabet 12 and 24. Suppose this one is the address. Let us check that. Okay. You can display only R programming. Now, why R programming is there? If you are counting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This one is the 12th alphabet and similarly this one is the 24th alphabet. You can display the string according to your choice by writing the address of that particular alphabet. Now, the last one is how to enter string from user side. Let E is the variable. Because I have to read the content from user side and I have to write read line, then prompt whatever I have to write, enter your name, then print. I have to write paste here because I have to combine the entered data from user side and the static data. Suppose I am writing hello, then the name entered by the user, then welcome to R programming. Let us check the execution. Enter your name, Sukhveer, then execute the second line. Hello Sukhveer, welcome to R programming. The spelling mistake is there, WE. Okay, again execute the program. Enter your name, then execute this one. Hello Sukhveer, welcome to R programming. I am going to repeat the contents of this program. I discussed about the strings in this video. First one is string display with quotes and without quotes. Second one is use of separator. And third one is how to convert string into upper and lower case. And fourth one is how to display a substring. And fifth one, how to enter string from user side. Thanks for watching my video.